Box Beer 2, we are at the premiere of one of the biggest movies to come out of 2023. It's Die Hart. And guess what? You're going to be speaking to a couple of celebs and Kevin Hart himself. Let's go check it out.
My whole life, I've dreamed of becoming an action hero.
Claude Van der Velde, director of 4 of the 6 biggest action movies of all time, wants to meet with you.
I'm there.
My next project required a serious, gritty actor. You, Kevin. I want you in the leading role. Holy shit.
This was all Kevin's idea from the beginning. He came to Amazon and Prime Video and he asked, what can we do that's big? How can we open this movie in a big way for a global audience? And he thought South Africa was the place to do it. And so that's perfect for us because we're the South Africa team, we're the Africa Originals team, and all we want to do is shine global light on South Africa.
Hey, Sabs, you know, we've been seeing a lot of local talent on international platforms, man. What does that mean to you for our talent over here in the next coming years?
I just think we're at a point where the world is realizing that we're very, very close to one another. The internet has brought us closer. We're now slowly being aware of one another. And it's just about time, man.
A true action hero is tough, he's confident. No! They will take responsibility for their...
You're like a real-life Rambo.
Now, if you were to pull off a heist, the greatest heist of your life, what would your getaway car of choice be and why?
Ferrari dog. Come on, you can never go wrong with us.
Muswana, you want to be caught, Mos. But to Ferrari, everybody's going to be looking at you.
Ish, that was a good one. But the speed though, the speed though. Who's gonna catch me with what car?
My getaway car. Oh my goodness, a McLaren. Yeah, fast and sexy.
Lamborghini.
Lamborghini?
Yeah,
oh, she wants a Lamborghini.
And my Porsche, darling. Ooh, in guy H1. Because it's very unassuming because if you class, oh, obvious. Oh, so obvious. I'm looking forward to laugh and of course to enjoy the film. I haven't been in the cinema in a long time, of course. And I don't know, is there Kevin Hart here?
What's sitting in your garage right now, Kev?
I mean, look, you know, I'm a car head, man. I'm a gear head, so I can go as low as a 1959 Corvette to 63, 64s, 63 split window, 67 fastback, 66 GTO, 69 Camaro, 71 Cuda.
I just wanted to ask you one last question. What the hell was up with that video that you put on TikTok where you doing some dance moves?
Getting ready.
What were you getting ready for, man? What was that move?
Just in case, if it go down. If it go down, I'm ready. If there's a club scene, if there's Afro beats or any type of dance hall setting that provides itself, I'm ready. Hips are loose. I'm in a good place.
I think Coach Ron is trying to kill me.
So you're just gonna give up on your lifelong dream?
Die Hart 2023, starring Kevin Hart playing himself, featuring John Travolta. Unfortunately, you guys can't come inside with us, but do go support. And you heard what Kevin Hart said, huh?
I'm ready right now.
Help me! Help me!
So good. He's doing his famous help me scene from Ride Along 2.
Oh, hell no.
So watch this space. Adeus!